Golden Knight families, the 2022-23 school year is officially up and running, and we look forward to another great year here in Eastern York. The purpose of this video is to share with you a few opportunities we have in the coming weeks for families in our community to partner with our district in the coming school year. Before we start, this is our instructional model, and everything that we do in our classrooms can be placed into one of these four categories. Notice the bottom left quadrant. We know that to effectively create a safe, supportive, and collaborative culture for every child, we must pursue ways to partner with our families. The fact is, you were your child's first teacher, and you know your child best. For starters, you may be aware of the growing concerns for the mental health of today's teenagers. Depression, anxiety, and substance abuse appear to be on the rise, and these obstacles can prevent a student from learning and reaching their potential. So it's with this in mind, we hope you'll consider the following opportunities to work with us to help the students of our community. First, we plan to send a team of teachers, administrators, and support staff from each school building to receive training on youth mental health first aid. This training will be in New Oxford, Pennsylvania, and attendees will learn how to help adolescents experiencing a mental health or addiction crisis. One of the training goals is to help attendees know the warning signs associated with mental health and substance abuse and how to connect these teens with trained professionals. We're extending an invitation for parents to attend this as well. This training is offered twice, once on October 18th and a second time on November 15th. Attendees must do a 2-hour training before attending the in-person training from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. We hope to have at least one parent from each school attend one of these sessions with our Eastern York staff. Second, the district will host a parent workshop focused on mental health and substance risk for youth on September 26th and November 2nd. The workshops are not as intensive as the all-day training in New Oxford. Still, we believe the information is valuable for all parents, and the sessions will help us to develop a stronger community response to the challenges our kids may be facing. The interactive workshops will help families with strategies designed to show support and care to youth experiencing these challenges. There are 2 opportunities to attend, and light refreshments will be provided. And finally, we want to hear from you. We plan to send a district survey to students, parents, and all stakeholders of the Eastern York School District to collect data on the climate of all of our schools. We plan to use this information to identify strengths and areas needing improvement. You can look for this survey later this fall. Please use this link to complete a quick form to sign up for the Youth Mental Health First Aid Training or the parent workshops we plan to offer here in Eastern York. Please don't hesitate to contact me directly with any questions you may have.